aches with a heavy pain, like raindrops on a window pane. Each drop is like a question lost in weeds. Why couldn't we find the words to speak?
Raindrops falling like the memories that fade, each one a reminder of the love that we made. I still hear your voice in the thunder's roar, but it's fading away like it's here no more. Every drop's a tear, every storm's a sigh, and I'm standing here, asking myself why. Thoughts in the raindrops falling so slow, washing away the warmth, leaving only the cold. I wish I could hold on, but you slipped through my hands. Now I'm left with nothing but the rain and the sand. Thoughts in the raindrops where love used to be, drowning in the silence where a ghost haunting me. The world moves on, but I stand still, caught in the past against my will. Raindrops trickling down my face, but they don't wash away this empty space. I will wait for the sun to break.
Like raindrops on a window pane. Each drop is like a question lost in weeds. Why couldn't we find the words to speak? Why couldn't we find the words to speak?
The sky is crying, just like me. With each raindrop that falls comes a memory of teardrops. The world keeps turning, but I stand still, chasing ghosts that time can't heal. I reach for you in every drop, but you're a shadow that won't stop. It's like the rain knows all of my pain, washing over me again and again. Thoughts in the raindrops falling so slow, each one a reminder of letting you go. I can't escape no matter how hard I try. The rain keeps telling me we said goodbye. Thoughts in the raindrops drowning my soul. I'm lost in the echoes of a love that's gone cold. The streets are empty, but my mind is full of words we never said. So many promises unfulfilled.
My heart aches with a heavy pain, like raindrops on a window pane. Each drop is like a question lost in weeds. Why couldn't we find the words to